Hello guys to my channel. Today I'm going to show you differences between Speed Cube and Rubik's brand. Let's see. Okay, this is Speed Cube, the Cubicle MF3RS2 M with magnets. And these Rubik's brands don't have magnets. Okay, let's see. It is very smooth. And magnets do a great job. Look at the magnets. Okay, good. It is fast. And okay, let's see corner cutting. Good. And reverse cutting. Okay. It is good, very good. And it's around $25. It's very good. I recommend. Okay, and this is the one Speed Cube. This is a Rubik's brand. Don't have magnets. It is also very fast, but don't have magnets. And don't have corner cutting and reverse cutting. Let's see corner cutting. There is no corner cutting, I can say. Nothing. Look at this. And here, easy. Okay, that's this speed. Yes, it is fast, but it have catches and other things. I scramble these two cubes. They are scrambled the same. So let's see which is faster. Here's an example of very old Rubik's Cube. I looped this with DNM37. DNM37 is. Before DNM37, it was very slow. Now it's fast. or don't have corner cutting and reverse cutting. Bye.